Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will be showing you how to hide all photos on Facebook from public and friends. So first, you just have to launch or open your Facebook application and make sure that you're using the latest version of this application. Now tap in this profile at the top right corner and then you have to scroll down and look for settings and privacy. Tap settings and privacy and click settings. Here you have to scroll down and look for activity log. So activity log is under your activity. Now tap this one and it will take you directly to this. Now what you're going to do here is scroll down and look for your Facebook activity. Or you can also tap this activity history beside this trash. So if you tap this one, and then it will take you directly to this. And what you're going to do is to click this filter icon or filters. And after you click this one, you have to select categories. Here you have to click the very first option, which is your Facebook activity. Because under your Facebook activity, you can see here your past posts, your comments and reactions, including your photos. So here you have to simply scroll down and look for manage post. Okay. So as you can see here under post, you can see your photos right here. So you have to scroll down and look for manage post. And then the next thing to do here is to click filters. And then you have to look for categories. Tap this one. Now the next thing to do is to click this your post, photos, and videos. So tap this one right here. And then after that, you have to select all the photos that you want to change audience. So tap change audience right here, click change audience again, and then set this from public to friends or from friends to only me or public to only me. Everything is up to you. Tap change and it will change the audience of your past or previous photos on your Facebook. Of course, that you have shared or post. Now, aside from that, of course, you wanted to change the audience of the photos where you are tagged in or activity that you're tagged in. So you have to scroll down, click this one, and then same thing, you have to click this manage tags. Now, since I cannot show you anything here because I haven't tagged from any photos yet, but if you have these pictures right here, it's the same procedure. You just have to tap all, click this three dots, and then you have to click this change audience right here. So from public to friends, friends to only me, everything is up to you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.